we've definitely got lots of things to get done today. We're going to fill these 2-tier planters, finally, and we're going to get some plants in. And we're also going to repot more flowers to put at the front. But apart from that, I have bought some new containers. And these have got an extra feature to them, which I think is going to prove to be quite useful. And I'll show you them a little later in the video. But for now, we want to start and get all this finally set up on this Caravan container garden. And we'll start off by clearing quite a lot of stuff out of the way, and we'll do it bit by bit. It's going to be really warm and sunny all day, so no better day than to get this started. We've got these trays that we use so we can bottom water plants, and it's always the best idea. You just drop your tray in, it'll take up water from roots rather than spraying a nose over the top, because if you do that when it's a warm sunny day, you're going to burn all those leaves, so don't do that. But if you've got plants like this in larger pots, when you water them, just water around that stem. Or if you've got a tray big enough to stand this in, once again, let it take up that liquid from the bottom and then empty any excess liquid away. When we line these planters, we're not buying expensive liners from garden centres. Just some old compost bags will do. Just turn them inside out and then staple it to insides of these planters. And that's going to protect it from rain so it'll not rot. And that's just going to ensure that these planters last that little bit longer. So as I'm going around getting all these plants put into trays so we know they're not going to dry out for the next few hours, Ginny is prepping that liner up. So hopefully by the end of today we'll both be set up, filled with compost, and we'll have us plants in. What are you doing, an overlap like that?
Yeah.
And then another piece over the top?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, that didn't take very long. That's one level of this 2-tier planter, virtually done. Where are you starting?
Centre.
Morning.
Hiya.
Well, that's one finished, so we'll get on with the next one, and that's that job done.
Once again, I can't get it back. a little bit of extra. Scissors. Thank you. Give me that bit that might be suitable for her.
Now we can finally get these in position.
And now I've done all that, I've just found my gloves.
Just need to have enough room to get down here. That's that one. You know that one it is. So that's as planters already lined, ready for planting up. So 2-tier planters all fully lined, thanks to Ginny's hard work and patience. So on next video we'll be filling these and we'll finally get some plants in, and then I'll show you those new containers that I've got that I found really interesting, and I know they're going to be very useful, especially through summer. So if you want to see what we're going to be doing next, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.
Take care. Bye.